back in my Iraq activism days, I would do just about anything up to risking my life, but I would not carry a fucking sign. And that is why progressives can't organize. It's just there's too much room for that kind of bullshit.
Yeah.
Carry a sign, guy. Chant out loud, guy. No, I won't do it, man. There's too much nuance.
I did the black block when I was
Yeah, which is
younger.
like put a fucking bandana on your fucking face and
Yeah.
what? And get drunk.
No,
I'm not
well,
gonna lie.
it's about
And
it's
if
about
you're lucky, cash your trust fund check. That's 70% of black bloc. I know that. I've done the research, but not you. It's not you, my man.
that was not my experience with black bloc. It was mostly gutter punks and people who I guess could afford to be activists, which is kind of a privileged position.
No, but that's okay. I'm not actually dissing on that. I just black bloc guys, it's too easy for the law enforcement to pretend they are them. That's one of my problems. It's like
impersonation.
yeah, I've also never lied. I mean, in terms of the bandana thing, I've always been super against hiding your face and your identity and your intentions, even though it makes total sense.
Yeah, it makes a lot of sense.
But it doesn't make sense if you're not actually working towards something meaningful, which for me, the black bloc folks were like chaos agents and they were young. And to me, it's like, you're not even working towards something. If you were Daniel Berrigan, who this Catholic priest during the Vietnam War, who with his brother made their own napalm, broke into a draft center, pulled out all the draft cards and burned them in the street with homemade napalm. And then he went undercover. I mean, he went on the lam and he was in hiding. That's when you wear a fucking mask.
Yeah.